In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a modern page in SharePoint Online. Whether you're setting up a new page for your team or organizing content for better access, SharePoint offers a flexible platform to help you accomplish your goals. Let's dive into the process and make it as seamless as possible. First, navigate to the SharePoint site where you intend to create your new page. Begin from the site's home page, or really any page on your site. Look at the menu, often located at the top of your screen. There, you should see an option marked New. Click it, and from the drop-down, select Page. Sometimes this menu is located on a toolbar depending on your interface, so watch out for that subtle difference. Once you've clicked on Page, you'll be prompted to choose a template for your new page. SharePoint provides a variety of templates to fit different needs. If you're unsure which to select, start with a blank template, allowing you to tailor all components to your specifications. Alternatively, explore the pre-built templates to see if one aligns with your vision. After deciding on your template, it's time to give your page a title. This step is crucial, as you won't be able to save or publish your page without a title. Think of something concise, yet descriptive, to better convey the purpose of the page. Next, it's time to bring your page to life by adding content. SharePoint uses web parts to build content-rich pages. Click the plus button, which is positioned below the title or in the sections you've designated. This gives you the power to insert a range of elements: text, images, document embeddings, and more. Take this opportunity to design a page that effectively communicates the information you wish to present. You can also adjust the layout by adding or modifying sections and columns. This customization offers a chance to organize your content logically and aesthetically, ensuring that it meets the needs of your viewers. Once you're satisfied with the content and layout, you have a couple of options for your next steps. If you want to save your progress but aren't ready to make it public, select Save as Draft. This option keeps the page private to you, or accessible only to those you decide to share it with. When you're ready for the world, or at least those with viewing access, to see, click on Publish. For further exposure, you might consider promoting your page. Add it to the site navigation, which makes it easier for team members to find. You could also post it as a news item, or share the link through email to reach a broader audience. Lastly, while managing your pages, remember that they're all stored in the site's pages library. If this isn't immediately visible, simply navigate to Site Contents and then Pages, where you'll find your newly created page along with any other pages. And there you have it. Creating a modern page in SharePoint Online can be straightforward with a little guidance. Good luck with your project, and thanks for watching.